Hello everybody, and today we're going to be talking about how to work with rhombi, which is the plural for a rhombus. Questions 1 through 8 refer to this figure right here on the right, and question 9 refers to this figure down here on the coordinate plane. For number 1, if angle ABD is 60, then measure of angle BDC would also be 60, and that is due to alternate interior angles given that the opposite sides are parallel. Number 2, if AE is 8, find AC. Well, since diagonals bisect each other, AC would be 16. For number 3, if AB is 26 and BD is 20, then what is the measure of AE? We'll be dealing right here with a Pythagorean theorem due to the fact that it's a right triangle. Rhombi diagonals intersect at right triangles. Using Pythagorean theorem, we could go x squared plus 10 squared equals 26 squared. Solving this for x comes out to be 24. Number 4, find the measure of CEB. That is one of the angles from the diagonal here. CEB is right here. It is also 90 degrees. The diagonals are perpendicular, so they all intersect at 90 degrees. If the measure of CBD is 58, find the measure of ACB. Okay, well, just adding up the sum of a triangle to be 180, we have 90, we plus 58, the missing angle here is 32. Okay, if AE is 3x minus 1 and AC is 16, find x. The diagonals bisect each other, so we're going to be setting 3x minus 1 equal to half of the whole distance, 8. Add 1 to both sides. Divide by 3, x is 3. That's number 6. Okay, number 7, if the measure of angle CDB is 6y and the measure of angle ACB is 2y plus 10, find y. In the picture here, those two angles are supplementary to each other. So 2x, let's look at CDB here. CDB, that's this angle. ACB is this angle right here. Okay, so if we have 2 of CDB, which is 2 times 6y, and 2 times 2y plus 10, we can set that equal to 180 due to the fact that consecutive angles of a parallelogram or rhombi are supplementary. This solves out to 12y plus 4y plus 20 equals 180. We'll subtract 20 from both sides and get 160. 12y and 4y make 16y. And that makes y equals 10. Okay, for number 8, AD is 2x plus 4. CD is 4x minus 4. Those are opposite sides. Those are consecutive sides, and if we have a rhombus here, all consecutive sides, all sides are equal. We simply set 2x plus 4 equal to 4x minus 4. Okay, and we're going to subtract 2x from both sides to get 2x, add 4 to both sides to get 8, divide by 2, x is 4. Okay, for number 9, we're looking at this figure right here. What is the midpoint of FH? That is the diagonal here. Well, we simply have to average the coordinates of F and H. F is 1, 3, H is 9, 7. The average of those coordinates would be 5, 5. What is the midpoint of GJ? It's this right here. It should be the same midpoint, and it is. The coordinates of J are 4, 7, coordinates of G of 6, 3. If we average those, we get 5, 5. Okay, what kind of figure is FGH? Based on what we know, it is a parallelogram. Parallelogram because the diagonals bisect each other and they end up sharing the same point, which is 5, 5. Go on, we'll find the slope of FH. You go up 1, right 2. What is the slope of GJ? Down 4, right 2. That reduces to negative 2. And as we can see here, these two slopes are perpendicular to each other for opposite reciprocals. Since we have perpendicular angle bisectors, and combining part C here, this kind of figure is a rhombus, because the diagonals bisect each other and all 4 sides are actually the same.